There's two ways you can sausage. You either sausage in bread, you know, we're talking Saturday, Sunday at your local hardware store or the footy match, or you can gourmet your sausage. And I am doing the latter. And it's all about taking the humble Aussie sausage, and this one's full of Aussie beef, no artificial colours and flavours, good source of protein, and it's gluten-free. But I'm gonna try to, you know, take it to the next level. One might say, make a sophisticated sausage. Now, I'm gonna get those sausages and I'm gonna put them in a bowl with some delicious Indian flavours. So we're gonna do a tandoori paste, but we're also gonna use a yogurt, and that's gonna be our marinade. Now, break your sausages up into individual snags. Now, I'm using the peppercorn beef sausages today, but the good news is they also do a chicken range. So if you're more of a fan of a chicken snag, they've got you covered, and they're just as good for you. Now, this is when you get your hands into it. We want to massage all of those delicious flavours into the meat. We're not barbecuing these sausages, we're not even pan frying them. We're oven baking. But to keep them nice and straight, I'm actually gonna run a skewer through each so that they cook together and stay nice and straight. Now, this is what it looks like. You go through the meat, and that's our base snag, like that. We're gonna repeat this process with the remaining sausages and then transfer them to the oven, 200 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes, or until they're charred and crispy on the outside and beautifully cooked through. You can't have an Indian feast without a good quality garlic naan. Now, I follow a gluten-free lifestyle, so I'm going to show you how to make a gluten-free one from scratch, and it's so simple. And you know what I'm thinking? Yes, you can too. That is why I'm using this flour, because they're all about making gluten-free easy. And the best part is it's endorsed by Celiac Australia. It's safe if you've got a gluten sensitivity or intolerance. So I'm going to get this self-raising flour into my bowl. Now, the next ingredient is yogurt. I've chosen to use a dairy-free coconut yogurt. You can use a Greek yogurt, just something plain and neutral in flavour. Now, this wouldn't be a garlic naan without a good helping of fresh minced garlic. Give it a splash, about a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. Now, once you've got the oil in there, you want to give it a pinch of fresh chopped coriander and, of course, a pinch of salt. Work all of these ingredients together until you have a lovely dough, then we're going to set that aside to rest. Whilst your dough's resting, that's a really good time to get onto your other elements. Make your raita by combining the yogurt, the cucumber, and some fresh herbs. Coriander really sings in this dish. And then make your super simple pineapple salsa by adding your chopped pineapple, fresh chilli, some more coriander, a good splash of olive oil, pinch of salt, and you're good to go. Then roll out your dough into 4 equal portions, fry it off in a fry pan with some beef tallow so it's nice and golden brown. And then all you need to do is bring it together. The best part about being the cook is that you can give yourself a little bit of a chef's treaty. So what I've done is I've made myself an extra flatbread, which means I can, you know, do quality control testing. I really got to say, gluten-free cooking has come a long way in recent years. To get a result like this, crispy, golden brown on the outside and still soft and chewy in the middle, this consistency shows that you can get fantastic gluten-free alternatives that are the perfect 1-to-1 ratio in your traditional recipes that you'd make. Now, this is perfect. Better plate up. Let's bring this together. Sausages are looking fantastic. What I'm gonna do, I'm actually gonna take the skewers out and we're gonna put these sausages in a bowl. They've got all of that gorgeous tandoori paste on the outside. I'm gonna do a little bit of a stack like so. And then we're gonna surround the base of that with that amazing salsa. And a lot of flavour and colour, fresh herbs. Now, there's a lot of heat coming from that tandoori paste. So the best way to cool that down is with this beautiful cooling cucumber raita. Now, got some extra curry to decorate like so. If I told you I was going to whip together a 5-star Indian feast that looked this good and tasted this good, you wouldn't believe me. And the best part is it uses everyday Aussie ingredients brought to life with a little bit of love, a little bit of spice and a whole lot of passion.